Ominous sounds. Genuinely curious what y'all think of this. For context, my grandparents, who were living in the in-law apartment above the garage at the time, said they kept noticing the light above the stairs, that lead down into the basement, coming on at random times of the night/early morning. It's motion activated and can be seen from the door leading into their apartment. They also allegedly had seen shadows at night, presumably after the light would come on. So, my parents decided to set up a camera in the garage directed at the stairway leading into the basement to see if they could catch anything. As seen in the video, they captured this at 12:31 am last August. No one was awake at the time. An eerie noise is heard and the light suddenly comes on. The video has been shown to different friends/family members who justify it as being an animal making the sound and activating the light, but I don't see it. This is also not a particularly old house, built in 2013. There have been no more weird occurrences since, but I still think about it.